we'll go to the website invest.upstox.com/IPO. Now we'll click on sign in. Now we'll click on apply. First step will be to enter the UPI ID. Investor type will remain individual. In bid 1, we are purchasing 3 lots at cutoff price. Terms and conditions ticked. Continue. Over here we'll confirm this much quantity, this much amount. Confirm. And the application has been created. We'll view the application. This is the application number and only payment is pending. Coming to my phone, I've received the mandate request. I'm going to authorize it. And the mandate has been created. Now coming back to PC, in IPO, in my applications, the payment status, it's still showing pending. I'm going to refresh it. The payment status has changed to accepted by investor. That's it, it's that simple. If you have any doubts, do ask in the comment section.